Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning my weekly plan with me from the 27th of May to the 2nd of June, and I'm using an older kit, leftovers from Allycat's shop. This is the Everything Nice kit. I'm not sure whether this is still available, unfortunately, but I have a few leftovers, plenty to use in my pocket size, so I thought I would use it up. It's it was a pumpkin spice latte themed kit, but obviously I only have one full box left and it's just glitter. But I think these orange and green colours really scream autumn, and it is autumn at the moment here. Just about. So 1st of June starts the beginning of winter, so I thought this would be a good kit to see out the end of autumn with, even though it is only just starting to get cold where I live, so you wouldn't know it was autumn. I'm in my new Mumsy and Bub pocket size TN. This is the Love Note colour with the candy glitter spine. It's absolutely stunning. I love it. It's such a beautiful soft pink, and my little floral bouquet from Pretty and Peach Design matches this really nicely, and I think the sort of dusty colours and the gold and the browns in this really go well for autumn. So yeah, really loving this. And I have a couple of skinny Simply Gilded washies, a green, and they're actually both green, but this is so dark it's almost black, you wouldn't know it's green, and the lighter green matches the colour in this kit really nicely. So let's get started.